زما خوږه وطن خامخا دې جوړوم دا وعده پوره کوم سپېرې دښتې به دې ګران.
Baghlan Breshna completes turbine repairs and achieve records production. Baghlan Breshna operational staff has initiated the technical work for constructing the center, focusing on organizing and installing our first turbine. The turbine initially faced an issue in the aggregate section, which prevented its full operation. However, officials at Baghlan hydropower plant confirmed that the necessary repair work for the first turbine has been completed. Additionally, the installation and organization tasks are expected to be finished soon. According to officials, electricity production during the current solar year has reached unprecedented levels, which is due to the timely maintenance and attention given to the factory's equipment. Our electricity production is at an all-time high. Reforms are in full swing, and we have upgraded our water system with new plants. Everything is running very well. Previously, operational staff has successfully addressed technical issues with the turbines at Baghlan hydropower plant, restoring their functionality. It is to be said that the Baghlan Breshna Shirkat has also resolved technical challenges related to turbines at domestic production plants across the country with the dedicated efforts of its employees.